back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. It's salsa macha, chili oil, but it's not spicy, that I know you guys are going to love. The flavor is amazing. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious chili oil that it's not spicy at all, these are the ingredients. I have Himalaya salt, chicken bouillon, garlic cloves, a whole head of garlic cloves, almonds, pepitas, sesame seeds, California chili pods, pasilla chili pods, and of course, vegetable oil. This is everything you need to prepare this amazing chili oil, as I call it, salsa macha, that's not spicy at all, but the flavors are amazing. So let's get started. I want to start by getting nice and crispy my garlic cloves in vegetable oil. I have my California chili pods that I'm going to open through the center. I'm going to remove the seeds and I'm going to remove the vein, just like that. It really doesn't take too long to enjoy this amazing chili oil that is not spicy at all. Always cook your garlic in very low heat so it starts infusing the vegetable oil and the garlic starts getting nice and soft and caramelized. Of course, I'm not gonna leave anything behind from the chilies. I am going to go ahead and continue by getting ready all the seeds that I'm going to use in this amazing salsa macha. I'm adding my almonds here. I'm gonna crush them just like that. And let me show you the texture. This is how you want your almonds. And now let me show you, the garlic is getting nice and crispy. I am ready to remove. My kitchen smells amazing. I really love garlic, and this is a whole head of garlic cloves. Now I'm gonna add my chilies just for a couple seconds. You don't want to burn your chilies. You want to just add them in here. Once they start changing color, then you're ready to remove. I'm going to continue with the rest of the chilies doing the same thing. Look at this. It just takes a couple minutes and then I'm ready to remove. And this is actually the time that I'm leaving them in the oil. The oil is getting infused with these amazing chilies, smoky flavor. Look at this. You could really see that the chile really changes color. And here I have the sesame seeds that I'm going to start getting nice and golden brown. It really doesn't take too long. I have the pepitas that I'm going to do the same thing. You start smelling the aroma of the seeds and then you're ready to remove. I have the almonds here that I'm going to get nice and roasted. Once this is done, I am ready to start making my amazing Mexican salsa macha, chili oil, but not spicy at all. It has such an amazing smoky and delicious flavor that I know you guys are really going to love it. You could add it to any type of meat, grilled chicken, carne asada, chips, or you name it. You are really going to love it. Crush them a little bit when you add them to your blender. Add all your garlic. Of course, add your salt and the chicken bouillon and the vegetable oil that is already infused with the flavors of the chilies and the garlic. And now let me show you. It's a little bit when you add everything else. Oh my gosh, you could have just a taco with this type of chili oil. Now I'm ready to blend. Every blend is different. You want it nice and blended. And now this is the best part, pouring and showing you the texture of this chili oil. We call it salsa macha. There's a spicy version that you have on my channel, but this is not spicy at all. It's a very smoky and delicious flavor. And now this is the best part, adding the seeds. I'm going to start by adding my roasted almonds. I'm gonna add my pepitas. Everything is roasted. I'm adding the sesame seeds. Oh my God, everything smells so delicious. I can't wait to enjoy it, let me tell you. And now I am ready to mix everything and show you how this looks. It looks amazing, but it tastes, oh my God, you need to make it, believe me. My mouth is watering because I could even have a spoon of this just like that. It's amazing, it's delicious, and I'm sure you are going to love it. If you don't love spicy food, well, this is the best salsa macha for you, the best chili oil that you are going to enjoy with any type of meat and even seafood. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Remember, leave me thumbs up. And of course, this is the best part, adding it into grilled chicken tacos. You could add so many things to it, but to tell you the truth, I really love to enjoy this smoky salsa macha chili oil just like that. I can't wait to enjoy. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chili oil salsa, as I call it, salsa macha, that it's not spicy at all. I enjoyed it with a taco of grilled chicken or even a taco of grilled meat. It tastes amazing. And I know that there's a lot of people that don't like spicy food, but I am sure that this salsa chili oil you guys are going to enjoy with almost everything. But look, I am going to enjoy it here with you with a tostada chip. And let's see, excuse me. The smoky flavor, all the nuts, all those amazing flavors in one salsa. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say, I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.